Hello viewers, in this tutorial I am going to discuss about robot.txt for SEO. Okay, what is robots.txt? Actually robots.txt is a file that tells search engine Spider to not crawl certain pages or sections of a website. Most major search engines including Google, Bing and Yahoo recognize and honor robots. Is robot.txt important? Okay, it is not compulsory. Actually it depends on you. If you want to show everything on your site, then you don't need it. On the other hand, if you want to disallow hide any existing page or post then search engine from search engine, then you should use robot.txt. How to create robot.txt on your website? If you are a user of WordPress and you use the Yoast SEO plugin, then you can easily make it. Why I am telling you WordPress? Because I use WordPress CMS to manage my website. So before creating robots.txt, you can see how it looks like. Here you can see, and also if I show you live on my WordPress website dashboard, look, this is my dashboard of my website, and if I scroll down, here you can see SEO. Look, SEO. If I click on it, also you can see a section name tools. Click on it and find out the name of file editor. Here you can see file editor. Click on it. Look, by default it is created here because I use Yoast SEO plugin. I created it some days ago, and I've showed you how it looks like before creating the robot.txt. This is not the critical part, just easy. Just click on it. Here you can see create robot.txt. Click on it. If you click on it, you can see some codes here. It is automatically create on here. So now we are going to understand the meaning of these codes. Look here, robots.txt real example. Here as you can see here, and I just copied and paste here. I'm going to give you the answer. User agent colon star means you are allowing all the search engines like Google, Bing, Yandex. On the other hand, disallow slash wp admin slash means this means that no search engine will be able to index your panel, your admin panel. Allow slash wp admin slash admin ajax.php means accept pages and posters that are left without wp admin. So now I'm going to disallow an existing pages or post through robots.txt. If I go to my website dashboard, yeah, you can see robots.txt disallow, and I am going to make a post by clicking on post section. Okay, let's create a post by clicking add new. It's loading. Okay, I'm not going to make this video long. Actually I have some blog post here. Yeah, you can see if I click on view, I've created a demo blog post here. Look, and I just need to copy this URL. Don't copy the full URL, you just need to copy the slug, copy it, and paste it on robots.txt. Robots.txt. Scroll down, click on tools, file editor, look, and again you just need to copy it, paste it, and copy, paste, paste it, and just need to save changes to robots.txt. Now no search engine will index this blog post because you have disallowed to index it. Okay, this is the easy process, the way you can disallow any pages or posts. I just showed you how you can disallow any post, the same way you can disallow the any page. You just need to copy your domain, just copy the page's name or the post name. Now how you will can understand that you have successfully created the robots.txt. To know this, just click on new tab, and here type your domain and the robots.txt. Like, look, this is my domain slash robots.txt, and click on enter. Here you can see I've successfully created my robots.txt. Look, user agent star means all the search engine can index my website, but all the search engine can't index my WP admin panel. It can index whole pages and posts. Again, I have disallowed my an existing post like benefits of freelancing in 2022. Any of search engine can can't index my website this post because I have disallowed it. So I think I have successfully helped you to understand the whole process, how you can create the robots.txt on your website. Okay, one more thing I did not show you, what is UAST SEO, and if you know the UAST SEO but I did not show you, I'm going to show you the UAST SEO on my plugin section. If you did not install it, just install it by clicking plugin section, and here you can see add new button. Click on add new button and just search here UAST SEO and enter. It will search here the plugin. Look, the UAST SEO. Here you can see the UAST SEO. Actually I have installed it and also activate it. That's why it is showing me the activate button here. You just need to click on install now this button. It will show you why, if you do not install it, like this install button, this button will show here, and after installed you just need to activate, and then the whole process will start. How to create robots.txt by clicking on create robots.txt. Here you can see this is the whole process. Actually I have successfully helped you to understand the whole process. Lastly, I am telling you, if I help you in any way with this video, I deserve a like and positive comment with a subscribe by clicking on subscribe button. So thank you for watching this video.